Hello everyone, welcome to B10X Learning. I hope you have enjoyed the earlier session, because in the earlier session we worked on formula bot through add-ins. Okay, that means like the add-ins means it's a device or a piece of software that can be added to a computer to give extra features or functions. So what we did in the earlier session, we in the Excel sheet, we went into this part, right? Let me explain. Let me show. Okay. So last time what we did, we went into the Excel sheet, and we in the home there will be add-ins. In the add-ins, we installed the formula bot, and we generated the formulas. So you can see the yeah, we can see this formula bot icon over here. This is one method. Okay, that means we can it can be fast, and we know what are the functions that we are going to do. So based on that, we can use this add-ins feature to make our work comfortable. Okay, so now today we'll be seeing formula bot through web mode. Okay, because web mode also has its own advantages. Okay, so we need to log into formulabot.com. Okay, you can see the screen over here. Okay, and you just click the button get started for free, or you can go with the premium option also, because as I said earlier, there will be 5 means attempts. Okay, like 5 processing you can done for a month, for 5 processing. Yes, for a month you are allowed to 5 processing as a free. Okay, beyond that you need to go with the premium mode. Okay, so based on that you can decide it. So since I have already entered all the credentials, I have an account. Once you entered all your details, it will look like this. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so the same features whatever you have seen in add-ins through the Excel sheet, the plugin was there, right? The same thing will be available over here, but we have additional features like you have formulas, scripts, SQL, all these things are also there. You can work it. Okay, because I want to explain this also, because this also is a better way to get the results and get the formulas and get the explanation of the formulas. So now we are going to look into this formulas part. Okay, so I'm going over here. So once you enter, it will be like this. Okay, we will come into this page. So now what I'm going to do means, okay, before that I will explain here. Okay, so this is the part. See here we have details with SSN number. Okay, so imagine if you have downloaded, okay, you went to a website and you have downloaded some content. I meant to say like user details. Okay, for example, in a DAT format or a Excel format or a DOC format, sometimes the results what you get will not be exactly in a tabular way, or it won't be like a easily representable way, because it will be congested and it won't look proper. Okay, for example, I took a portion of that data, okay, and I entered over here. Okay, so it is looking like I took that portion and I placed it in this cell for explanation purpose. Okay, so this is first name. Okay, SAM. This is the SAM. This is the first name, and the next there are these digits, right? The numerical digits. That is a SSN number. Okay, and next is the location. Okay, so we have the first row and we have second, 3, 4 details are there, like Sam, Rakesh, Rajesh, and Nitesh. So the Sam has his SSN number and this location. Okay, so imagine we need, our requirement is, when I'm segregating this thing, I don't want the SSN number. I want only the Sam and the Florida. Let's imagine like this way. Okay, I have first name, second name, and the third name. Okay, let's for a easy representation so that the Excel also can understand. Okay, for that purpose, I want to ignore the second name and I want only the first name and the third name. Okay, so let's see how we can get it in formula bot. Okay, so for that I'm going over here. Our requirement is Excel. Okay, I'm going over Excel and I want the formula to be generated. Okay, so now I am writing. See, I have one Excel. Okay, in the Excel column A. I'm just saying it is simple, okay? Just typing, you are explaining, okay? Your Excel with column A, from values from A7 to A10, okay? From A7 to A10, okay? This is A7, okay? This is the column A7 to A10. I have the values. The column A has, I am putting first name, second name, third name, separated by spaces. Okay, so this is corrected because here it is separated by spaces. Generate the formula to select only first name and last name and insert into column B. Okay, that is insert into column B. I am giving this thing. Okay, so I have a Excel with column A, values from A7 to A10. Okay, column A has first name, second name, third name separated by spaces. Generate a formula to select only the first name and the last name and insert into column B. Okay, let's see how it is. Okay, so it is given. Okay, after giving the submit, it has given this formula. Okay, assuming that the first name and the last name are always separated by space. Let me use this. Okay, this is the formula. I am selecting here and I am going here, pasting over here. Some mistake. Just true. Okay, I have an Excel with column A, values from A7 to A10. Column A has first name, second name, third name separated by spaces. By space, generate a formula to select only first name and last name and insert the first name and last name into column B. Let's see. Let's see how this is. These are all a matter of prompt case, how we are doing. Okay. Yeah, I got it. See, this is the part. Okay, so I have made it. I prompted it further. Okay, so that the bot can easily understand. So it is given the explanation. Okay, to extract the first name and last name from values in column A and insert them into, you can use this formula. Okay, so substitute. So imagine, guys, if you want to imagine in the real time scenario, you have given a task that you need to generate like this. You should not use anything I want to do in the Excel like that. The requirement is coming. Okay, we can do it, but it will consume lot of time. All right. But imagine, see, if we have this type of tool, it is giving, I didn't do anything. I didn't work with any syntax. I didn't work with any formulas or anything. I just gave the understandable way. Okay. For that, if you want to get skilled, learn this prompt engineering, these type of means in the LMS, there are some courses like prompt engineering, basic AI, mastery program. These things will help you to generate more. Okay. So I used this and it has given the explanation. Okay, this formula assumes the name in the first column as A. Okay, so this is not required for us. We can, when you do your hands-on, you can execute and with the different tasks and you can read it. Okay, so same way now I am doing for the remaining things. Okay, so Sam, Florida, Rakesh, Texas, Raj, Washington, Nitesh, Boston. Okay, so we got it. Okay, so imagine, guys, how it is so easy. And now let's go into another part. Okay, so this is okay. Now imagine this is another scenario. Okay, there is an email ID. Okay, abc@rediffmail.com, xyz@gmail.com, ink@cnn.com, uit@hotmail.com. Okay, just a representational purpose only, guys. And similarly, okay, this is also not the real SSN number. Okay, because we are not supposed to take any SSN number or Aadhaar number or any confidential information. That is a violation. Okay, we are not supposed to. Just for a representation purpose, I said SSN. We can say any other number. Okay, so for that purpose, I said here also just for name purpose, and I am using this word. So what I want to do means now I want only the domain. Okay, see whichever words or sentence that is coming after the at is called domain. So domain.com, we'll say reddns.com, domain naming system. So this rediffmail.com is a domain. Okay, gmail.com is a domain, cnn.com. So I want to ignore the other parts, and I want to get only the domain names like rediffmail, gmail, cnn.com, hotmail.com. So for that, how this Excel formula is helping to generate the formulas. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so now let's so now let's okay. I have Excel sheet. With column A, that column A, that is email IDs now. Column A, and it is from B. Sorry, it's not A, then B. Is how B7 to B10. So B10. I generate a formula. Relate to select only sentences after at symbol. Okay, generate a formula to select only sentences after at symbol and insert it into what is the column? We'll put the column C. C. Okay, so that is email IDs from B7 to generate a formula to select only the sentences. Then generate a formula to select only after at symbol to column C. Let's see. Okay, so it has given. Okay, I write B7 colon B10, length of B7 colon B10 minus. So let's see how this. See guys, how quickly it came. Rediffmail.com, gmail.com, cnn.com, hotmail.com. I am putting here something else, okay? For example, OU hot. Yeah, just okay, because I'll tell you wait a second. Because already I have given the thing from B7 to B10 already I have given. If I put B11, right, it may work. Because I thought we can drag it, but since I have given like that, right, so it will not work. Now, same thing, it will give all. Okay, we got it. Okay, so this is the way, guys. Like that, you can explore from your examples in a different way, because this is for a illustration purpose. I have done it. you can do furthermore VLOOKUP, all the things. Similarly, if you want to know for example, okay, this is a formula, right? If you want to break down how this formula is generated, okay, for example, your boss has given you an Excel sheet, okay, we has a lot of 1,000 means the rows are more number of columns, all the things are there, okay, and it has VLOOKUP and all it has a it has interlinked, or it has been clubbed with another Excel sheet or other sheets, and the formula is looking huge, okay, it's making you tremble. So at that time, what you can do means take like this, go over here, go to this part. Now explain, right? Go to this explain part. I'm the explain. I'm giving this formula over here. So now it will explain actually. So it is given an explanation. The function write B7 colon B11 length find is used in a Microsoft Excel to extract a specific portion of text from a range of cells. So here is the breakdown, like B7 to B11. This refers to a range of cells in column B. So whatever you have done here, right? From column B. Okay, this function will apply to each cell in this range individually. Length B7 to B11. So it has given everything. Okay, so you can work it over here. So similarly, guys, you do means do further more things. Similarly, you can work various things over here, you can do with the Google Sheets also. You can try, and you can work on yourself. So, and I hope you liked this session and you enjoyed it. I hope. Thank you, guys. Take care. Bye bye. See you again.